Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products in the market today. In this episode, we're diving into the Prier 630-8500 Wall Hydrant Complete Service Kit. Hailed as the best Mansfield hose bib repair kit you can find. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to maintain your outdoor faucets, this kit promises to deliver. Let's jump right into why this product stands out. The Prier 630-8500 Wall Hydrant Complete Service Kit is designed for easy repair without the need for special tools. It comes with everything you need, from a replacement wall hydrant handle with stainless steel self-tapping screws, to a complete vacuum breaker replacement and repair set including the cap, body, poppet, and washer. While we don't focus on customer reviews, it's worth noting that users appreciate its ease of use and the comprehensive nature of the kit. Whether you're replacing a worn-out part or performing routine maintenance, this kit has you covered. To wrap it up, the Prier 630-8500 Wall Hydrant Complete Service Kit is undoubtedly a top contender in the realm of hose bib repair kits. Its ease of installation, quality materials, and positive customer feedback make it a standout choice for anyone looking to maintain their outdoor faucets hassle-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've used this kit or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more insights into the best products on the market.